Hi teens, welcome back. This is Miss Linda.
And Miss Irene?
So we're here today to do a wacky science experiment. It's on a challenge, dare, from Miss Irene.
It is.
So it explores the concept of polymers, which if we look at a resealable plastic bag, just a common resealable bag, polymers are long chains of molecules that string to each other. And the principle says that the polymers will reform instantaneously to form a tight bond. So the science experiment says that if I puncture this bag full of water with a sharp pencil, it's going to reseal immediately.
And it's not going to leak.
It's not going to go all over me. So, to do a mad science experiment, I'm going to put on my mad scientist hat.
Woo-hoo. Looking good.
And let's take care of this challenge from Miss Irene.
All right.
Very sharp pencil.
All right, are you ready?
We don't know how this is going to turn out. We haven't rehearsed it. I'm a bit anxious. So,
All
very
right.
sharp pencil.
1, 2, 3, go. Go. Go.
There we go.
Oh, check it out.
Oh boy.
That's pretty good. If you let go of the pencil?
What?
If you let go of the pencil?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. Now you need to do another one.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I almost didn't make it on this one.
You got to do another one. We'll do the second pencil in there and see how it happens.
Okay.
No, in the same bag.
What?
You got to do the second pencil in the same bag.
You're pushing my luck.
This is a true challenge. All right, let's see. Okay. You ready? 1,
No.
2,
Okay.
3, go. Did you get it?
I didn't get through. There we go.
All right, let's see.
That one I didn't. Oh, it did. It worked.
Check that out. That's pretty awesome.
So be sure to join us for our next wild and wacky science adventure.
Where can you find all these fun adventures at?
Oh yes, so we have a number of resources in the library. You can also look online, just look for wild and wacky science experiments. You'll find a bunch.
And you can always go to Hoopla and Libby and Overdrive, which is our e-resources, to find science experiment books as well.
Be well, be safe.